Hey everyone! Well, it's a wrap on the third season of Make Acura Great Again project, which adds another 7 episodes to the existing 14, all of them done in 2 languages. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for all your feedback, constructive or not, but overwhelmingly positive, which is a great motivation for me to move on. I'm also observing a steadily growing subscriber base, which is another indicator that I'm doing it for a good purpose. Rest assured, the 4th season is coming later this summer, and I'll definitely make a compilation video on what to expect out of it. While you're waiting for your next season to kick off, I'll be posting other videos on different topics. Some of them include maintenance and repair videos, among others. In addition to that, I'm also getting ready to produce and release weekly or bi-weekly short videos on some helpful tips and tricks which do not fit into the Make Acura Great Again detailed format. At this point, with the amount of material I produced and released, I think it would be a great idea to build a website where I will categorize and list my videos, so it's easier to find what you might be looking for. Also, some of you have been suggesting that I should sign up for Patreon, which I finally did. So if you're interested in supporting what I do here, you can find the link in the description. I really appreciate any support which helps me to continue my video production. My name is of course Bogdan, and this is Acura Addicted channel. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and turning notifications on so you don't miss any new videos. I'm also looking forward to your comments and suggestions, which I value and listen to, as they help me steer the channel in the right direction. And as always, drive safe, use your turn signals, and remember, anything is possible with the right tools and motivation. See you next time!